the peace of the Holy Spirit. That's why kita nyo yung kulay ng liturgy today is different. For 40 days, ulitin ko. Are you filled with the Holy Spirit today? Yes. If you filled with the Holy Spirit, you should be an extent of the good news to other people. To share the good news of the Lord to other people. I will extend my reflection today, not to the reading, but to the fruit of the Holy Spirit. No? Kita nyo kanina the Gospel and the first reading, when the disciples receive the Holy Spirit, they give joy and they have strength. Now, kinilang dalawa, meron po siya ng fruit of the Holy Spirit. If you go home, or you went home mamaya sa sakyan ninyo, try open the Bible in your cell phone. Look at the Galatians chapter 5, verses 22. You will find the 9 fruit of the Holy Spirit. Ito yung indicator kung tayo lahat meron ng Holy Spirit. Una is love. Pangalawa is joy. Pangalawa is kindness, peace, generosity, faithfulness, gladness, and self-control. If you want